There you go. Ready? Is it in brake?
What is the lightning racer with under sport? This needs to be retracked. Ooh. Ooh, it's not right here.
Yeah, this is where we sat for like 10 minutes last night, 15 minutes, whatever. It wasn't that long. But I was like, thank God we sat on the brake run last night by moonlight.
Just like lightning racer, there's no light.
Lightning Racer is boring though. I like this ride. Lightning Racer has no force.
When the train stops, push down, then pull up on your left arm, gather your belongings, and exit to the left and rear of the station. Thank you for riding the Great White, and enjoy the rest of your stay.
You're able to re-ride, by the way.